Hi there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And welcome to Sunday. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you for being here. You make it all worthwhile. Please keep the comments coming. Another taste test today, folks. And this is a new product. It says Chunky Bird's Eye Chip Shop Curry, 6 fish fingers, 100% fish fillet, a source of vitamin D. And that's what the box looks like. My wife bought me this yesterday from Iceland, and apparently it was £3.50, which I think is quite expensive. Now unfortunately the fish in this is Basa, 56%, breadcrumb coating, rapeseed oil, spices, salt, yeast, dextrose, sugar, honey powder, garlic powder, onion powder, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin and thiamine, may contain milk and mustard, and your allergy warnings are for fish and wheat. The nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. And these cook for 20 minutes in an oven at 210. You can grill them for 14 to 16 minutes, or you can do them in an air fryer from frozen for 10 minutes. So these have been in the air fryer for 10 minutes. This is what they look like. So let us have a look. So there you are, the 6 chip shop curry chunky fish fingers. So let's see what they're like. It is all about the taste. That's what it looks like on the inside. You can certainly smell the curry. The breadcrumb coating's got a nice crunch to it. You can taste the curry, but the fish, nothing there at all. Had I seen this, I certainly wouldn't have bought it, simply because of what it is, Basa. It's a nice white fish. It's flaky, but it tastes of absolutely nothing. So, For me, the front of this box should state that it is Basa. It's another shockingly bad product from Bird's Eye. I'm not eating the rest of them because it's pointless. Definitely not have them again. And I'll score these 2 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen, everyone. Certainly more than I've enjoyed trying that one. Awful. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you nothing, helps the channel grow, and will become part of that bigger community. And as always at this point, I will say to you all, Namaste. Enjoy the rest of Sunday, everyone. Bye for now.